Since the revocation of Article 370 in August 2019, Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir has undergone a profound and troubling transformation in land ownership, residency and legal protections. What is often represented as administrative reform increasingly reflects a structured pattern of displacement, where policy tools they are reshaping the demographic and socio-economic landscape at the expense of indigenous populations. The scale of this crisis is very evident in official data, as displacement has shifted from isolated incidents to a very systematic reality. Since 2022, anti-encroachment drives they have led to reclamation of over 150,000 acres of land, disproportionately impacting our marginalized communities, particularly the 1.2 million strong Gujar Bakarwal population. Official figures they further reveal that over 18 lakh canals of lands are categorized as encroached, alongside 14,359 acres of forest land identified for clearance by March 2026. In the absence of clear distinctions between ancestral use and recent occupation, these figures have justified a sweeping evictions. Compounding the vulnerability is ineffective implementation of the Forest Rights Act 2006, with over 70% of claims either rejected or pending, denying legal recognition of forest-dwelling communities. Legal mechanisms have also facilitated dispositions. Between 2023 and early 2026, more than 90 properties, including homes, orchards and agricultural land, they have been seized under laws such as the UAPA and Public Safety Act, often without any transparent judicial oversight. Simultaneously, the 2020 changes to domicile and land laws they have also enabled non-residents to acquire land, accelerating external ownership and reducing local access. Urban areas they are also not immune. Eviction proceedings, including at least 50 residential units in Srinagar, highlights the expanding scope of displacement. The consequences they are far-reaching: economic marginalization, disruptive livelihoods and psychological trauma, particularly among vulnerable groups. These developments they stand in strong contrast to international legal standards, including the right to adequate housing and protection against forced evictions. The evidence points to a very sustained policy-driven process that is redefining land ownership, eroding indigenous rights and entrenching a cycle of displacement across the region.